What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making low-carb pumpkin cookies. These are soft cookies. I like to top them with a cream cheese frosting. Let's go ahead and get started. So first you want to take 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that's been softened at room temperature and add in 1/3 cup of granulated sweetener and 1/3 cup of golden sweetener and give that a good mix. And then you're going to add in 1/2 cup of pureed pumpkin, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and give that a good mix. And then you're going to set that aside and combine your dry ingredients in a separate bowl. You're going to take 2.5 cups of blanched almond flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and combine all of those ingredients in that bowl. Then you're going to add your dry ingredients to the wet and give that a good mix. And then you're going to form your cookie dough. This will make 12 to 15 different cookies. And then go ahead and shape that cookie dough with your hands and flatten the top with the palm. Then you're going to bake that in a 350-degree oven for 10 to 13 minutes. And here's a cream cheese frosting. I like to take 3 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of powdered sweetener. And then just give that a good mix. Once your cookies have cooled, you can top it with that cream cheese frosting. And there you have it, low-carb pumpkin cookies.